Here we go. I'm going to change this key cylinder here because I have a key pod for it, but the actual key I don't have. So I think I can figure this out. I'm going to start by popping this metal rubber piece off. Okay. And there's the bolt to hold the cylinder in place. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a 10 millimeter. Let's try. Okay, let's try 10 millimeter. Okay, so it's loosening up, but it's not coming all the way out. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. Bam. Let's get the replacement. All right. Keys. Bam. Like that. Let's tighten this bad boy back up. And it's fixed. Yeah, really less than 5 minutes if you've done it more than I have. So it took me about 10 minutes, but easy job. Let's use the key fob. Now we're done. Like, follow, subscribe for more do-it-yourself auto fixes. This is a 2013 Hyundai Veloster, and I just changed the key cylinder.